Make laundry days a breeze with this condenser tumble dryer from Miele, which has innovative features to take special care of your clothes. It has a B energy rating and a medium-sized 7-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for the best drying results. It's been tested to the equivalent of 20 years' use too, so you can have complete confidence in this model's outstanding build quality. This model's innovative FragranceDos capsule has been specially designed to enhance the scent of your laundry. Simply open the door, place the capsule into the fluff filter and adjust the dial to alter the intensity. The scent will be released into the drum, enveloping your clothes for up to 50 cycles. So, you can enjoy beautifully smelling laundry tumble after tumble with fragrances that last up to 4 weeks. Miele's Anti-Crease Feature helps to reduce deep wrinkles forming in your clothes. When the drying cycle has finished, the drum will automatically switch to a gentle tumble that untangles laundry and prevents creasing. Now your clothes will be ready to put away and you'll spend less time behind the ironing board. With innovative features to take special care of your clothes, this condenser tumble dryer from Miele has everything you're looking for.